Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of FaceApp. We go here to settings. In this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about FaceApp and you will click in this page of app info. You will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and